Hi, welcome back on the What Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to first set up your Motorola One. So first of all, we need the choice, the language which you need. Let's search for English. Okay. Now you should connect to your Wi-Fi. If you have the Wi-Fi in. If you doesn't, you just don't connect it. Now set up the date and time. The date and time gonna be setting automatically, so we don't change anything. Here you write your name. You can set up the fingerprint if you want for now, but for now I don't want to secure our phone, so I'm gonna skip it. You can protect your phone by pattern, pin or password if you want it. If you don't want, just press it. Skip anyway. Now there is a Google service. You can read it and just agree. You can add another email if you want. No thanks for now. Accept and continue. I agree. No thanks. And that's it. You officially set up your phone, Motorola One. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe. And see you by next video. Hey!